Banana, the #1 fruit in benefits. Bananas are often considered one of the most beneficial fruits due to their impressive nutritional profile and health benefits. Here are some of the key reasons why bananas are hailed as the #1 fruit. 1. Rich in nutrients. Potassium. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels and supports heart health. Vitamin C. This vitamin boosts the immune system and helps in the absorption of other essential nutrients. Vitamin B6. Important for brain health and the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood and sleep. Fiber. Bananas contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, aiding digestion and promoting regular bowel movements. 2. Energy booster. Bananas are a great source of natural energy due to their carbohydrate content. They provide a quick and sustained energy boost, making them an ideal snack before or after workouts. 3. Supports digestive health. The fiber in bananas aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. They also contain prebiotics that promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 4. Heart health. The potassium and magnesium in bananas contribute to maintaining normal blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Their fiber content also helps lower cholesterol levels. 5. Improves mood. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood, alleviate depression, and improve overall mental health. 6. Bone health. Bananas contain essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium that support strong and healthy bones. They also help the body absorb more calcium from other foods. 7. Aids weight loss. The fiber in bananas helps you feel full longer, reducing the temptation to overeat. They are also low in calories and fat, making them an excellent choice for a weight loss diet. 8. Improves skin health. Bananas contain antioxidants and vitamin C, which help in reducing signs of aging and protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals. 9. Boosts immune system. The vitamins and minerals in bananas, especially vitamin C and B6, enhance the body's immune response, helping to fend off illnesses and infections. 10. Promotes kidney health. The high potassium content in bananas supports proper kidney function and helps prevent kidney stones by regulating calcium levels in the urine. Conclusion: with their delicious taste and numerous health benefits, bananas truly deserve their reputation as the #1 fruit. Incorporating bananas into your daily diet can lead to improved overall health, increased energy levels, and better mood regulation. Enjoy bananas as a snack, in smoothies, or as part of your favorite recipes to take full advantage